Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use mockups in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Canva app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions. From here we have to go into the top left corner, then tap on apps, and then tap on mockups. Here we have a lot of mockups, possible images where we can insert other images, and yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of things for print, packaging, apparel, home and living. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.